Welcome back to The Deep Dive, the show where we take your submitted sources and really distill them into the essential knowledge. Today we're taking a deep dive into an object that, well, you probably use it every day, but I bet you rarely think of it as a canvas for high-level craftsmanship. I'm talking about the humble cutting board. We're basing this on a really fascinating source you sent us. It's a collection detailing, and get this, no fewer than 120 distinct, creative, DIY cutting board ideas. So our mission today is to figure out how this common kitchen item moves from just being a utilitarian slab of wood to a genuine object of art and engineering.
That number 120 ideas, that's really the first clue, isn't it? It tells you this is about more than just some wood glue and clamps. The source itself really establishes this core premise. That cutting board project is a perfect storm of function, creativity, and craftsmanship. And that trifecta, I think that's what we're going to unpack. We're looking at the engineering that makes the wood durable, the design that makes it decorative, and, the actual skill it takes to turn raw lumber into something that could last for generations.
Okay, let's unpack this then. Because when you hear 120 unique approaches to basically a flat surface, it makes you ask a huge question. What makes this one item so creatively fertile? It tells me that makers see this as a real design challenge, where the material, the technique, and the look all have to collide perfectly.
Exactly. It's a surprisingly deep world.
The sheer breadth of it it's striking. The source promises this massive number of ideas, and just that number alone is the first big insight. It shows the possibilities are, well, almost endless. But the starting point is actually quite accessible.
Precisely. And when you see that kind of volume, that many design concepts, you get why it appeals to such a broad audience. The source material is actually very clever about this. It's designed to appeal to, on the one hand, beginners looking for a quick, successful project.
Right, something you could finish in a weekend?
A weekend project, exactly. And on the other hand, it's for experienced makers searching for fresh, complex inspiration. The real insight here is the scalability of the craft. I mean, a beginner can take a few simple tools, cut, sand, and finish a basic board from just one piece of wood. That's a very low barrier to entry.
Sure.
But for an artisan, that same project can scale up into just deep complexity. We're talking intricate geometric patterns, complex joinery.
So not just gluing planks together.
Oh, not at all. You're using specialized techniques for stability, router sleds to get it perfectly flat. The craft really grows with your skill set and your tool collection.
And that's what gives it staying power. These 120 designs are always trying to balance those three things you mentioned.
Yeah.
Function, craftsmanship, and a modern design sense. It's all about taking the raw materials, and we should be specific here. We mean high-quality hardwoods like maple or walnut with food-safe, waterproof glues like Typon III and transforming them.
Right.
They aren't meant to be hidden away in a drawer. They're meant to add character to a room.
And that focus on the material